Hey guys, this is Marshall Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. We've done a video in the past on the Kioti zero-turn mowers. Today we're going to feature out one of the newer series mowers. This is a ZXC LT series. This mower features a 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine. It is the FT730V model engine. Very, very good motor and well desired in the industry. This is one of their commercial grade units. This unit comes in a 48, a 54, and a 60 inch. Today we're looking at the 54. We're going to go over some of the features on this mower and why it might be a good mower for you guys out there, whether you're a large property owner or a commercial mower guy. And yeah, we'll just run over what this has to offer. So starting off in the front, very, very big wheels, very good setup up here, very rugged, lots of grease fittings, grease zerk here, grease zerk down here, just a good overall setup. Lights for nighttime mowing or late night, later in the afternoon mowing when it's starting to get, darker out. 6 anti-scalp wheels, you got 2 in the center and then 2 on each side. And some, I want to say, in the back, hidden away. The mower is a 10 gauge deck with a 7 gauge outskirt around the edge, which is a great setup, fully fabricated, very, very well made deck. This deck they actually use even on the residential series mowers. So if this mower is too pricey for you, you can drop down a couple $1,000s into the residential series and still get a mower that has a deck this beefy, which is awesome. Obviously, you got your side chute there. Nice rubber mat here. You can open this up to access some of your belts there, which is a great little setup. Easy access. There's also some other features to get at belts we'll show you in a minute. Hopping up on here, this mower, some of the features, obviously, your zero-turn controls right there. This is your deck. So to adjust your deck height, obviously that's raising and lowering the deck right now. You will push on that, pull up on this notched lever here, and then this dial here will change how many inches of cut height you're going to have, and when you lower it, it will lower to that height adjustment. Nice little setup, easy to operate, very simple, no pins to lose or anything like that. This mower features 2 fuel tanks. That's total a 12.5 gallon capacity, so plenty of capacity of fuel for all day mowing out there. And this is the instrument panel here. To start up the mower, it is a coded mower setup. There's a start and stop button. You can check hours, you can check service intervals. It's got battery light, check engine light, oil light, all that type of stuff on here. 12-volt outlet. Maybe you could put a phone in here, but I wouldn't trust it too much. Might fall out, so be careful. This is your choke right here, and then your throttle right here. PTO on and off. One of your fuel tank fills here, and a fuel tank on the other side. A retractable armrest that you can get up out of the way. Nice little setup. The seat is a very, very nice seat on this model. 3-inch suspension seat with full weight adjustment for the weight of the person right there. Seat also goes forward and reverse. You got an e-brake, parking brake right here. We'll take a peek around the back, show what we got going on back here. So back here, you can move this seat out of the way and then access some of your other stuff there, your battery and whatnot, and some more stuff under the seat, which is nice. Just pretty quick and easy to pop that seat up, get under there, and lock it back down. Folding roll bar, great feature, spring loaded, quick and easy. You can fold this roll bar right down. Not that it's very high, it is under 6 foot, I believe, or right around 6 foot, all the way up, so not really something that a lot of people need to fold down, but if you do need to, it's right there. The fuel tank, switching from one fuel tank to the other, is a little dial right here, pretty basic. For each side, you can pick left-hand fuel tank, right-hand fuel tank. And then most importantly, the new Kawasaki motor that they're featured out on this series. Great feature, standard. This motor comes in all 3 models. So simple, they kept it the same for all 3, which I love. And just a good, well-known engine in the industry. It's also got a little tow bar piece right here. Not that you're going to tow a house with it, but you can hook up a little ball or something like there and tow around a little wagon or whatnot. Just a good little setup. This mower is an awesome mower for the price. It's really, really is very well built. This is going to run some of the highest performing hydro pumps in the industry. And again, just give you a lot of quality for a really good price point. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am gonna hop on it now real quick before we head out and just start the mower up, give you a little once over, quick cutting. Keep in mind, this is not good grass. This is insanely thick, but it will show it's wet grass. It'll show how well this cuts in those conditions. Yeah, we'll just give you a once over on that. So we'll start her up. So again, that's the ZXC LT series featuring the Kawasaki motor. Hope you guys enjoyed. If we can help you out on one of these Kioti zero turns, give us a call, 413-253-5456. Thank you.